How do I use an ear syringe for wax? An ear syringe can be an effective way to remove earwax, particularly impacted earwax, from the ear canal. The basic concept of using an ear syringe for wax is to flush earwax out of the ear with fluid rather than through scraping. Doctors will sometimes use a specialized ear syringe for wax removal during office visits and checkups. But many syringes are also available for home use. Home use syringes range from basic rubber bulb syringes to complete earwax removal systems involving the injection of saline or other solutions. Use of any syringing method is relatively simple. It usually involves little more than heating water or other ear solution to body temperature, then pumping that water slowly into the ear to wash away wax. Earwax is believed by most medical professionals to carry quite a number of benefits. It protects the eardrum from exposure to dust and antimicrobial particles, for instance, and is an important part of the ear's self-cleaning system. Nevertheless, excess earwax can cause problems. Earwax buildup can sometimes cause hearing loss and earaches. When earwax has become impacted deep in the ear canal, the symptoms worsen. An ear syringe for wax is usually recommended as a safe way to remove impacted or excess earwax. Irrigating the ear canal with warm fluids can soften and remove earwax more completely than other wax removal tools, such as cotton swabs or ear candles. If used properly, the ear syringe can be an easy and inexpensive way to relieve earwax related problems. The most basic requirement of using an ear syringe for wax is the fluid. If you have purchased an ear syringe system, a fluid solution may be included. Commercial earwax solutions are usually saline based and sometimes include other chemicals like hydrogen peroxide to assist in softening and removing wax. Water can also be used. It is very important that the fluid, whatever it is, be warmed to as close to body temperature as possible. If the fluid is too cold, it may not soften the wax enough to remove it. Cold fluids injected into the ear can also cause headache and dizziness. The syringe should be filled with the fluid, then carefully and slowly squirted into the ear canal. This is usually achieved by inserting the tip of the syringe about 1 inch 25 mm into the ear. Do not inject too forcefully, as powerful blasts into the ear can cause